Okay, so hi all, I am Darshini from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering with specialization in Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning, first year.
And I'm Pratiksha L. From the Department of Chemical Engineering, first year.
First of all, we would like to thank our principal sir, Dr. Kamalanaban sir, for conducting this ideation workshop, AICTE, and our special thanks to our class advisor, Dr. Sujita ma'am,
And Dr. Uma Maheshwari ma'am for giving us this opportunity.
and we would like to give our thanks, special thanks to Dean Academics, Dr. Ravi sir, for teaching us, not only focusing on subject knowledge but like giving insights from his experiences, explaining the projects he has done, the guidance he has given to the students, which gave us, personally to me, it made me to think how to approach an engineering project and develop any ideas I have, which made me personally talk to tech gurus regarding the ideas I have and how do I build it, develop it into a real time thing which will make me successful in my career.
It was a 3-day workshop. On the first day itself, Dr. V.R. Ravi sir has explained us and he had gave us a brief introduction about the ideation workshop. The main objective or initiation of this ideation workshop is to come up with the idea and which that idea should go to a startup level.
And also he explained about the state of laboratories, what are the sectors that will be implemented in our college and how do we make use of it and build it and gain knowledge from throughout that, how do we compare theories and knowledge and how to apply it in a project.
And we have also, sir has explained us many experiments which included LEDs, Arduino board, inbuilt LEDs, and with buzzer, the brightness level increases, decreases. Also the concept of pulse with modulation and servo motors, its angle from 0 to 180 degree, and with sensors like ultrasonic sensors and IR sensors.
He also explained about DRDO projects, ISRO projects, and many things he has done personally in his life, how he approaches his practices, how does he learn things that made him to come this position, his knowledge level, everything.
He also inspired us with many motivational speeches in between the sessions too. Thank you for giving this opportunity. We thank Dr. V.R. Ravi sir, our Dean Academics, and our tech gurus for taking this initiative and clearing our doubts. Thank you.
Thank you.
Diksha from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, first year.
And I am Chaitra from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, first year from Tech High Tech.
We took part in AICTE's Ideation workshop on design thinking and engineering applications of Arduino, and it was helpful throughout the session. We took part in it for around 3 days, and it was really helpful.
So at first we don't know anything about this Arduino application, but in these 3 days they have taught us so many things that will be helpful in our future for a career.
So we actually did 5 programmings, and the first one was related to switching on and off of a LED using Arduino.
And the second one we studied the same program with the help of using resistor.
And the third program was related to servo motors.
And the fourth one we studied about ultrasonic sensor.
And the fifth one was related to IR radiation.
So we thank our institution for making this happen for the students. It was really a better initiative from them.
I thank the chief mentor, coordinator, co-coordinator, and the tech gurus who were really helpful and who taught us a lot during these 3 periods. And thank you all.
Thank you.
Thank you.